Crassula Calico Kitten, the unique and delightful succulent. Crassula Calico Kitten is a unique plant that has a mesmerizing combination of colors and textures, making it a favorite among plant enthusiasts. The Crassula Calico Kitten, also known as Crassula pellucida, is a stunning succulent that captures attention with its whimsical leaves. This cultivar features small, heart-shaped leaves with shades of green, cream, pink, and hints of purple. The variegated foliage resembles a painter's palette, giving it a playful and charming appeal. Each leaf displays a unique pattern, making every Crassula Calico Kitten a work of living art. The Crassula Calico Kitten thrives in bright, indirect light, making it a perfect addition to your sunny windowsill or garden. It enjoys warm temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius, during the day and slightly cooler temperatures at night. Crassula Calico Kitten has low water requirements. It prefers a well-draining soil mix and should be watered thoroughly but infrequently. The Crassula Calico Kitten can be propagated through stem cuttings or leaf cuttings. When propagating from stem cuttings, ensure that the cutting has calloused over before planting it in a well-draining soil mix. Leaf cuttings can also be taken, allowing them to dry for a few days before placing them on top of the soil. Use a well-draining succulent soil mix. You can enhance the soil's drainage by adding perlite or coarse sand. Fertilize sparingly during the spring and summer months, using a balanced, diluted succulent fertilizer. The Crassula Calico Kitten is a remarkable succulent that combines beauty, versatility, and ease of care. Its distinctive leaf patterns, slow growth, and adaptability to different environments make it an exceptional addition to any plant collection. Please visit asucculent.com to read more.